Salacious, she's one of our state's most notorious killers, and tonight Jodi Arias asking the courts to overturn her life sentence.
ABC 15's John Genovese live outside the court. And John, this is something Arias' attorneys didn't want us or anyone for that matter to see.
Yeah, and this is just some of the more than 300-page brief filed just days after they lost the battle to have it sealed. In it, they lay out 6 issues that they say prevented Arias from getting a fair trial.
Upon our oaths, do find the defendant as to count 1, first-degree murder, guilty.
5 years later, perhaps the most notorious killer in our state is again hoping to have her lifelong conviction overturned. Jodi Arias says she violently killed her ex-boyfriend Travis Alexander in self-defense, but in a trial drawing out salacious details and dominating news headlines for months, the jury deciding otherwise.
And you really have been deemed the most hated woman in America. How does that make you feel?
I didn't know that. Actually, I feel a lot of love and support.
Among their biggest arguments, Arias' attorneys are now saying the nonstop media attention that had cable news sets going up just steps from the courthouse created a circus-like atmosphere during trial. They claim the media hounded and harassed attorneys, witnesses, jurors, and court staff, and participants received death threats at times in person. Arias' team also claiming hearsay was allowed into testimony, and because she wore a stun belt in court, that could have cast a negative and violent view of her to the public and jury.
You still have years to live, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Years she hopes could bring freedom out from behind bars. John Genovese, ABC 15, Arizona.